I didn't even record. Look at the chocolate cake of this brat. That is huge.
I'm a brat. What are you?
That is his favorite dessert.
Which one is that, Max? That's the mousse.
Okay guys, this is Chris LMT from Luna's Masahe. This video is not about massage, but it is about our favorite dessert, and that is so gross. Baxter. And that is a key lime cheesecake, and that is Say hi. Alright, so let's dig it. Braxton, that is not very good. Okay, now I love my cheesecake. Now you're gonna like, my appetite is like 15% less now.
Yeah, that's the point. Because it makes you not want to eat your cheesecake.
Let's dig in.
Let's dig in.
This is like really tastes like mango. With coconut. So good. We are, by the way, in Cheesecake Factory, our favorite restaurant.
No, mine is Olive Garden, the world's best restaurant.
Don't you like Cheesecake Factory?
Yeah, but Olive Garden is much better.
So what do you like about Olive Garden compared to Cheesecake
It's much
Factory?
better.
How is it much better?
Because it is.
Because what?
Because yes. Yeah.
Because of the 6?
Because bread 6? What is it, Mom? What's a bread 6?
Brad, this is my video. Be nice. Don't give me a hard time to my clients. Jeez.
Your clients? I didn't know your clients are watching this video that you're recording right now.
Yeah, they are gonna be watching this because I'm posting this in my YouTube.
R, Mom. Keywords. R.
So yeah, see
Not-
guys, that's my son right there.
I'm a nice person.
He loves.
Who's correcting your English, even though we got a B in English.
I got a B in a different English world. I got an A plus here.
Last year does not count.
I said A plus.
Oh.
I said A plus. What do you mean last year? Is that why you got an F in hearing?
Huh?
F in hearing.
By the way, I never got F in any of my classes, okay?
Are we sure about that?
I am very sure. Do you want to see my transcript?
Yeah. Yes, I do. Show me it.
I don't have it right now.
Okay.
So how do you like it? I thought you're going to order the tower one.
They don't have the tower one here, do they?
Yes, they do. The thing is huge though.
Where?
The picture is huge.
I didn't see it.
But I'm okay with mine right here. It tastes good. But it's so rich, right? It's just like few bites is like enough. It's really good.
Mine's creamy.
Is it like a cheesecake or just a cake? Or it's a mousse one? So it's so creamy.
A mousse cheesecake.
Okay. Alright, that's the video for today. Enjoying the dessert Sunday afternoon.
I'm better than Mom.
And how are you better than your mom?
New generation.
Excuse me? When you say that you're better than somebody, you have to be able to prove it that you're better than somebody.
New generation.
That's not there.
That window.
That's not enough proof.
Banana pudding.
Before you claim it that you're better, you have to have proof. Otherwise, you need to hush a little baby.
I can get sick more often than you.
And that's not better. it's like every time we come and eat anyway, like you say like you did not bring your wallet.
Oh nah, man, I didn't bring it. I'm sorry. So who's paying?
So when you have a girlfriend one day, you tell that to your girlfriend too. Like, honey, I did not bring my wallet today. I'm sorry. So can you like pay this today?
I mean, that's what she's gonna do to me when we're at the store. She's gonna do that to me when we're at the store. I might as well do it to her when we're at the restaurant.
Oh my god.
I'm a nice person.
You are? How?
Because I'm nice. Are you a nice person?
Very nice.
How? Is it because you hit people?
I hit people when they're mean to me.
Is it because you bang people into the cement?
Cement? I did not
No,
bang
the dirt.
anyone. The dirt, that was when I was a kid.
Do you need any boxes for the cheesecakes as well?
Yeah.
Probably him.
Alright, I got you.
That was when I was a kid because
And like when you stab someone with a pencil in the eye.
because they bully me.
How?
When I was a kid,
How?
nobody can,
How was that bullying?
can bully your mom.
Tell me the story again.
Nah,
Is it because they said you don't look good in those?
no.
You said you don't look good. They said you don't look good, and you're like, stab.
No,
Hey, you don't look good. Stab.
I was wearing a short.
Stab.
I was wearing a short, and then the boy in my class said, "Oh, you keep wearing skimpy shorts. You don't look good at it." How?
Yeah, still. They said you don't look good. Go, stab. How'd you do? Did you go? "Ah."
So eat your chocolate cake. You already ate half of it. I can't finish the mango. It's just too rich, too sweet.
Mine's too sweet too.